we had covered in our last class, that is on Saturday. Saturday, I did not discuss any concept. I gave you a task. I requested you to work with transaction management, and a lot of people completed, and they send me their work also to my Instagram. I already checked that. So please tell me how many of you completed at least one program, transaction management. Please raise down. So you understand how it is going to work now? Yes? Okay, that is actually very good. And second task, how many of you completed the second task? I gave you two tasks actually. One normal, second one is a little bit complicated. How many have you done? Three, four people. Okay. Others also just try. Don't give up. Please don't give up. Time is there. Just try to do that. All right. And today we will start discussing about metadata. Guys, honestly speaking, done. JDBC, important topics we already covered. Like the only thing is like how you need to connect our Java program to the database. You already know. Do you know how we need to use statement, prepare statement, callable statement? Do you know? Respond, execute query, execute update, return type for execute query, result set, return type for execute update, int. We already know that. Maximum we already covered. Small concepts are left behind, like metadata information and blob and clob data. How to pass an image into the database, a large image or else large text file, and batch processing system is there. Very few concepts, 2 to 3 concepts are there. Most probably, hang on, I'll say right now. Today metadata, tomorrow streams, day after tomorrow batch processing done. So by Wednesday, we will wind up with our JDBC 100%, I guess, by Wednesday. From Thursday onwards, we're going to start with servlets. Now, I just want to say one small thing. You know the importance of starting classes in JDBC. Honestly, tell me yes or no. As starting classes, you are good. Currently, easily you are able to understand the code and you are trying to write the code by your own. Like that, servlets, starting classes, at least for 1 week, very important. Thursday to next Thursday. After that, you'll understand. You'll understand servlets also. Not at all a problem. Okay. So once we started with our servlet programming, we need to install a server, Tomcat server. Most probably, I'll do that by Thursday only, I guess. Either Thursday or Friday. Thursday or Friday. That depends. So please don't miss this week, especially from Thursday. And JDBC is something different. JDBC is actually, a little bit extended for core Java. What is there? What is new in there? Only that class.forName driver manager class. Remaining all, you already know that. Respond. We are still dealing with main method in JDBC. Coming to servlets, RIP main method. We will not use, you know what is RIP? RIP. Rest in peace. We will not be using main method in our servlet programming. Done. With main method done. JDBC only will use main method. But without using main method, how we are going to execute? We'll see. We'll be having a servlet container. All right. So this week, very important. From Thursday onwards, 1 week plays a very crucial role. All right. I promise you will love those classes way much more better than JDBC. Okay. So please don't miss the classes. I think I requested how many days got completed? Anyone? 20 days got completed? 20? Okay. I told you JDBC 20-25 days below I said. So 23-24 days we will be completing JDBC. After that, servlets. Okay. This week plays a very crucial role. Please don't miss that. Okay. Now let's try to start discussing about our today's concept, that is metadata. Simple question. What do you mean by metadata? Data about the data. That is actually known as metadata. Yeah, obviously, data about the data is actually known as metadata. When you're speaking about JDBC, guys, we are having 4 types of metadatas are there. 4 types. First one, database metadata. Database metadata. Okay. Means what do we know? No, by using database metadata, we will be able to know our database version, how many tables and a column, we'll be giving the sizes. Na? Come on. Complete information about the database we'll be able to get by database metadata. Next one, parameter metadata. Parameter metadata. Hang on just a second. Parameter metadata. Guys, tell me one thing. When you're speaking about parameters, there are three statements are there now. Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. Where we will using the terminology parameters, prepared statement and callable statement. Come on, guys. I told you callable statement also internally uses prepared statement only. So basically, whenever you're dealing with prepared statement, we need to use the word parameters. So that parameter metadata will be able to get by using this parameter metadata. And after that, result set. Result set metadata. In our result set object, how many rows are there? What are those? Are you understanding me? Result set metadata. Lastly, row set metadata. Wait, what is row set? You tell me. Row set. Row set is the child interface for result set. I told you. What is the difference between result set and row set? Result set is by default non-scrollable, by default not updatable, and it is connected. Result set. Row set by default updatable, by default scrollable, and row set will work both connected and disconnected mode. Did you remember that? Okay. Now take a minute time. We discussed row set, two row sets we discussed. What are those two row sets? How many row sets are there? 5. What are those? Don't look in your notes. Try to remember all the 5 row sets. Don't look in your notes. All the 5. I need all the 5. If you know all the 5, then only say first one. Don't look in your notes. Got it? Huh? Okay. I'll say the first character. J. JDBC row set. C. Cache row set. W. W. Web row set. J. J. Join row set. F. Filtered row set. Come on, guys. You need to remember that. Did you remember? Okay. In these 5 row sets, we discussed 2. What are those? JDBC row set and cache row set. If I ask you to write a program on cache row set, how many of you remember? Cache row set. Any program on cache row set. Think about the code. Wait. Online students, if anyone remember, tell me. Just message me. And don't look in your previous codes. Seriously. Anyone? Did you remember? If I ask you to write a program on prepare statement, can you do that? Why? Why you are unable to write a program on cash flow set? That is the difference. Practice. You can damn sure even sleep also if I wake you and ask you, you'll be able to write the program on prepared statement. You know, driver manager get class dot for name. Why you know that? How many times I ask you the same question? Components, JDBC architecture, driver man. Yes or no? Ra? But why you're unable to do this for cash flow set? I wrote only one program. That's it. And you did not practice. I told you for row set, you should not be using driver manager.get connection. Not required. You need to use row set factory. Row set factory, set URL, set username, set password, set command, execute. Practice, ra. Practice. You need to practice. Anyways, so again, coming back. Today, our concept is metadata. Very, very simple. Metadata. Metadata means data about the data. Basically, there will be four types of metadata: database metadata, parameter metadata, result set metadata, and row set metadata. We'll try to see a program on all this. Shall we? Okay. First things first. Let me try to open my program and 10 JDBC 10 up to 10 we have written. Let me go with new class JDBC underscore row 11. 11 is already taken. 12. I'll go with 12. Yeah, 11 is already taken. 12. Okay, JDBC Pro 12. And obviously, first things first, I should be getting all my parameters. Okay, done. Okay, now, buddy, URL. JDBC, what is a URL? Database URL. Tell me the URL. You are speaking about the driver name. I am speaking about URL, database URL. Continue. First, what I need to write. First, what I need to write. Am I supposed to write JDBC or Oracle? Hey, this is only for one that particular person. Come on. Continue. Hmm. Continue. Just continue. You did a mistake. At the rate. Not only he, everyone will be trying to like. It's not like he don't know. It's more like whenever you are asking question, whenever you are facing a question directly, you will be getting confused. You know the concept, but you will be getting confused. Again, I am saying you, driver name, URL, need to remember. Please make sure to remember. Tell me what is the driver? Oracle, colon, 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 Oracle dot, JDBC dot, O capital, D capital. URL, hang on. Remember one thing. When you are speaking about driver, first you need to write Oracle. Oracle. When you're speaking about URL, first you need to write JDBC. Just remember like that. Okay. JDBC colon, Oracle colon, in colon, at the rate, localhost colon, 1521 colon. And that depends. ORCL or XE. Remember that. Kindly please do it. Okay. Anyways, now coming back here. So we already know that. Now what I'm going to do, just I want to write a query string SQLQUERY String SQL query. Okay. We are having employee table now. Just a second, please. Okay. Connect SSTM system manager. Select star from, you know what? Select EF name, comma EL name from employee. I'm just trying to get my first name and last name. That's it. Okay. Okay. Just let me copy. Oh, basically, this is a query now. Fine. Void. Just let me try to go like method one. Okay. Void method one. And after that, system.out.println implementing metadata in JDBC. Okay, sure. Now, first, obviously, try CATCH catch exception E dot print stack trace method. Okay. Equal to con belongs to connection. Okay. Basically, I got my connection object. Now, I'll do one thing. Con dot get metadata equal to database metadata. I'm just trying to write database metadata. How many types of metadata we are having? First one, database metadata, parameter metadata, result set metadata, row set metadata. Right now, I'm actually dealing with database metadata. There are a lot of methods are there, but most frequently we'll be using these. Let's try to use these in our code. Okay, now here system.out.println. First things first, this is database metadata. Just let me try to keep it like this. Okay. Now SYSO, we are using this method, get database product name. Yeah, sure. DMDT dot get database product name. Let me just try to go to my main method. Main method. Inside my main method, new class A, sorry, new JDBC Pro 12 equal to OBJ belongs to JDBC Pro 12. Okay, now simply OBJ dot method 1. All right. Right click, run as Java application. What is the database I'm using? Oracle. I'm using Oracle. Please don't code. I'll give you the time. I request you, please don't code. Okay. All right. After that, just exactly like that. Some more methods. Let me just try to go with the version name and driver name. Okay, sure. Driver name. Is it supporting stored procedures or not? Is my database supporting stored procedures or not? So our database is Oracle. And what is my version, which version I'm using? And you know which version you are using. We'll be able to get that. Okay. Eyes on the board. Please close the laptops. Close. Close. Okay. Now, which driver we are using? Oracle JDBC driver. And is our database supports stored procedures? Of course, it supports. We already know that, right? Okay. Now, this is for database metadata. Exactly the same. We will deal with parameter metadata. Parameter metadata, whenever we are speaking about parameter metadata, we need to use prepared statement. Prepared statement. Could you please tell me the code? Con dot PRE prepared statement. Can I go with SQL query? Okay. And here, you know what? Prepared statement. If I want to go parameters, I cannot. If I'm going with result set, I'll be having a problem. Okay, let's see. Equal to PSTMT1, I guess, belongs to prepared statement. Okay. Now, you know, PSTMT1 dot execute execute query. I'm using select now, and its return type is result set, just like that, just like that. Okay, okay. Now let us try to deal with parameter metadata. This is actually, just a minute, parameter metadata. Okay, right. Now, fine. Let's just try to execute. System.out.println. Simple methods, very, very simple methods. Get parameter count. I'm going to write, first one is get parameter count plus PSTMT1 dot get, you know what, get parameter count. Just a second, just a second. Now here, okay, hang on. Obviously, we'll be getting an error. Why? Because PSTMT1 dot, we need to go with metadata now. Metadata equal to parameter metadata, just mtdt belongs to parameter metadata. Just a second. Let me try to, yeah, parameter metadata. Now I'm going to use that parameter metadata. Again, I told you we are having four now. What are those? Database metadata, parameter metadata. Okay, right now, currently we are dealing with parameter metadata. Let's see what happens. If I'm trying to execute, right click, run as Java application. I did not give any parameters now. Here, if I gave any parameters, if I'm trying to set any parameters, I'll be able to get that. Need responder. We'll do one thing. How about let's try to change. Tell me one more query, just string SQL query. Okay, let me make it as 2 from employee where EID equal to question mark. Yes, please respond. Okay, now this is SQL query 2. This is SQL query 2. Right click. Oh, right now we will be getting an exception, but anyways, no problem. Let's try to execute. Why we are getting an exception? We did not pass any parameter. Na? Let's go. Let's try to pass a parameter also. Okay, so PSTMT1 dot set string 1. Here I'm going with 101. Guys, are you understanding my code? Online students, if possible, I want you to kindly please respond. I'm assuming that you already know how to deal with prepared statement. If you know how to deal with prepared statement, then only you'll be able to enjoy this. Okay. All right. So let's see. Right click run as Java application. How many parameters we are passing? One. So that depends how many parameters we are trying to pass. We'll be getting our output like this. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now, when you're speaking about this parameter metadata, depending upon Oracle versions, some methods will support, some methods will not support. Let's see. For example, okay, get parameter type. Let us try to go with this one. Get parameter type. I'm just trying to pass one and get parameter mode. Okay, just let me try to go like, and here also I'm going to give one more. What is that? Is nullable or not? Okay, just let me try to keep it like this. And here I need to close. Just let me try to close. My intention behind 42, line number 42 is, what is the type of the parameter I am trying to pass? Right click, run as Java application. Can you see this? My Oracle is not supporting that. Maybe in your Oracle, you will be able to get that. Just try to check that. I hope you're understanding the point here. Some methods will be supported by Oracle versions. That depends upon the version of Oracle which you are using. As I'm using Oracle 11, it is not supporting. You just try to check in your systems and check. Could you please do that? Online students, I want you to please respond. Am I clear with this? Just try in your system and check. Okay. All right. Now, as of now, let me just try to keep this in comment. Let me check remaining also once. Nope. One more. Obviously, no. I'm just trying to keep only one here. Right click run as Java application. Only one method is supporting for me as of now. All right. Okay. Now, please tell me. Four metadata interfaces I told you. Four. First one is database metadata. Next one is parameter metadata. Now, third one is result set metadata. Now, you try to tell me the code for result set metadata. Right? Just try. Tell me what I need to write. Result set metadata. You tell me the code, I'll write the code. Nana, line number 28, Ra. This is for, please tell me, this is for database metadata. This is for parameter metadata. Now I want to get for result set metadata. Tell me the code. Start from right side. Result set, result set, result set. RS dot get metadata equal to rsmtdt belongs to result set metadata. Just like that. Same. Okay. Now let us just try to deal with that result set metadata also. Okay. This is result set metadata. Now here also SYSO, few methods are there. Get column count. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Just let me try to, come on. Let me, okay. Get col column count plus rsmtdt dot get column count. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. Why only two? Sir, I wrote only two, sir, here. EF name and EL name. What if I write one more? What is that? ESAL? ESAL. Let's find out. Let's find out. Right click, run as Java application. I hope you're observing this, right? So that's what metadata means. Basically, data about the data, right? Okay, now let's try to go with remaining also. Copy. Uh, okay, how many are there totally? I gave four, no, three. Wait, four. Okay, let's try to check. Okay, get column count. Next, get the column name. Okay, that is great. Get column name. I'm going to use get column name. I'll go with one. Okay, after that, get column display size. Sure. Display size. Again, I'm going to give one. Okay. Now, is auto increment or not? You know that you will be able to directly provide auto increment directly from your database. Buddy, you told, is it sorted? You, is it sorted? Yes. Let me just try to get it here. Is that particular column auto incremented or not? Okay. Now, please look at my query. Select EF name. Right now, I'm speaking about the first column. What is the first column? Come on, EF name. Now, I'm trying to get the data. Let's see. I click run as Java application. EF name. What is the size I have given in my database? You know that, right? DSCEMPLOY LOY employee. Can you see this? Yes. And is it auto incremented or not? Absolutely not. It's not auto incremented. Now, similar to this. Yeah, that's what. Now, let's try to deal with one more. What is that? Row set metadata. Let us just try to, okay, this is row set metadata. You know what? When you speak about row set metadata, we already having our cache row set where I wrote this, where I wrote cache row set. Here. Same code I'm using, exactly the same code, cache row set. Same code, as the same code. You need to respond. Now I need to get my metadata. Okay, sure. So let us just try to go like CRS dot metadata and equal to row set ROWMTDT row set metadata. Just let me try to see this. And basically I need to typecast it into, let me row set, just row set metadata. Now, same lines. Let me do one thing. Copy, paste it. This is basically this is row set metadata. Okay. This is row. I'm just going to, you know that row set is a child interface for result set. So basically whatever the methods which I use for result set metadata, same I can use for row set metadata also. Now, what is the query? EID. EID. Okay. Could you please tell me what will be my output here? Come on. 3. Very good. Next, EID. After that, 20. 20. Is it auto increment? Right click, run as Java application. Let me just try to 3, EID, 20 and false. I believe you understand this. That's it. Metadata. Very, very simple. See the use of this metadata, where or when we will be using this metadata in our real-time projects. For example, you were assigned a project. your team leader assigned you a project. You don't know previously what happened. You don't know about the result sets or anything. You don't know anything about parameter count. So basically, if you want to know them, then we'll be using this metadata information. That's it, not more than that. Is that clear? Please keep your heading as notes. In your notes, please keep your heading as metadata. Please keep your heading as metadata. Kindly please have this entire thing in your notes right now. Complete. All the slides I want you to write. All the slides. Everything. Please. 3 slides. 1, 2, 3. So please start. First, I want you to write. There is a reason why I'm asking you to write. You'll understand it later. Make sure to write first. I don't mind to write the entire thing. What you understand, write. In one word, 2 words, your wish. But write, please.